Hi everybody, Grandma Bev here. And I just got back from spending the winter down south and I've got tons of videos to catch up on. But another one of my favorites is TheraBox. Why, you ask? Because I love the box itself. I do. I keep the box. Because I like to put things in it that I'm storing and then label the boxes, you know. I brought a bunch of empty boxes home with us. I don't think Bob noticed. Anyway, this is on the outside of it. It says healer. Oh, it talks about, hello, beautiful soul. Let's talk. It talks about the freebies and bonuses you can get if you do certain things. And it's got all the descriptions of the products in here. So we'll keep that handy. And let's open the box. No, I haven't opened it yet. So much junk here. I'm not totally set up here either. Oops, they always put this stuff in it. And the main reason I don't like it is not just because it's a pain in the butt to get through, but, you know, I've got a cat. Let's get this bag and put it right in. And I don't want her to eat this stuff. So, I've got to be very careful, make sure if anything falls, that'll get it picked up, because that's the one thing she will find. It's something that I don't want her to find. You ever notice that? You can, I can take like my rings off or something and set them on the table in between little things. That's the one thing she'll notice. Okay, that's good enough to get us started. Okay, first thing is, whoops, a piece just fell. Nuria Defend Overnight Recovery Cream. What's it say about it? It says, well, maybe I should take it out and show you the bottle, or the jar it should be. I always tape them. More than likely I'm giving it away. I have so many products. So it's kind of nice looking. It says, and I don't have my reading glasses on. I went up the front, took them off, and put these back on, and then thought, oh, I have time for one more video. It says, this indulgent night cream made in sunny state Florida harnesses ingredients from the mineral-rich waters of the coast of Japan to fight against skin damage caused by environmental aggressors. During the natural overnight repair process, antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals from seaweed and, what's that, brown algae help replenish dry, damaged skin to wake you up with a visibly smoother and more radiant complexion. Oh, doesn't say, oh, here it is. $36 is what it costs. This will more than likely be going to Carly's Girls. And if you're wondering what Carly's Girls is, send me a comment. I'll tell you. Because I tell it almost every video I do. Oh, here's something cute. Bees Nuts Lip Balm in Strawberry. Okay, well, where is that? Where are you, buddy? Number 3, okay. And then this I'll keep. I always keep lip product. Heal and relieve severely cracked, dry, and chapped lips caused by winter months. Show your lips some love with this 100% petroleum made. Oh, I don't particularly like petroleum. And paraben-free. Oh, 100% petroleum made and paraben-free lip balm. Also, maybe they don't put petroleum in. Enjoy the strawberry flavor as well as the moisturizing goodness and healing properties of Bees, that's B-E-E-Z, Nuts Strawberry Lip Balm. So that is a keep. Let's put it here in this little thing. Then we have, it's Boudica, B-U-D-D-I-C, Boudica, 100% biodegradable, ultra soft bamboo cleaning cloths. Just say anything. 100% biodegradable, ultra soft bamboo cleaning cloths. 96.6% purified water. There are 10 in here. It contains no fragrance, parabens, alcohol, and dyes. Carly's Girls. And we have Body Fresh. I don't know what it is. I can't read it. It's too tiny. All natural toilet paper foam. Well, let's see what they say, how they describe it. All right. Okay, you ready? No, that's not it. Should be number 2. Body spray. Boudico, bamboo, RPM, baby face. Maybe it's a mystery item. There's nothing that says anything about it. Well, I can only guess. Anyway, the mystery item, I'm guessing it's this. Women always deserve to be celebrated. Any excuse for an extra treat, right? In honor of Women's History Month and Earth Day, we're giving all members a bonus item in this month's box. Typically, we only include up to 8 items per box, but this month, all members will receive an additional item. Doesn't say what it is, though, but I'm going to guess. Let's see. I do have a... To thoroughly cleanse and refresh after each bathroom visit. Use with confidence and feel the difference. Directions to clean, soothe, and refresh the skin. Apply to toilet tissue and use as normal. No rinse required. Well, I'm going to try it. Got to take care of those areas. So that one I'm keeping. Then we have Mud Masky Hair Mask, Scalp Treatment, and Miracle Shampoo. pH balance. It repairs hair, strengthens hair, hydrates hair, moisturizes scalp, and dandruff control. So let's see what did this price. I'm not going to read the whole thing on it because it's just too painful to read. Looks like $24 or $29. All these girls. Or one of my other giveaways, you know. Never know what's going to pop up. And then somebody coming up here with a U-Haul truck. Oh, I know who that is. That's Leia's parents, I think. Behind us, the one cat, Leia, she finally made an appearance today. I was so relieved. But then Bob said he saw that they had a moving truck back there. And I know their house was for sale. So Leah's moving. So we're losing one of the cats. Okay, CBD, RPM, vitamin D3 protective spray. Directions, apply to skin throughout the day. Can be used over makeup. And I thought, what if they can't find Leia when they go to leave? You know whose house she's going to come to. And Leia, I think, is 14 now. So I spotted her at the back door, and I opened it to say hi. Well, Smokey heard my voice, the other cat, one of the other cats, in the bushes. So he comes out of the bushes. Well, that makes Leia take off. And then I also saw Smokey's sibling, Pumpkin, on the other back fence. Went down to another yard, and Pumpkin's another skittish one. So all of the animals have been accounted for. Anyway, I'm going to try this. Maybe. Let me see. Vitamin C. Shield your skin from harmful environmental stressors with RPM's vitamin D3 protective spray. Your new secret weapon in protecting your skin from premature aging. Oh, well, I'm already there. Costs $38. Spray can be used as a setting spray. How convenient, it says. It's the cherry on top of your daily makeup routine. The icing on the cake with its light, barely there formulation. You won't even feel it on you. I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to get that way or not. I got to think about it. And then we have Beauty Kitchen Essential Oil Shower and Spa Spray. This is probably another one of those things you spray on after the fact. Oh, sorry. Oh, there's nothing on this either. Baby face. RPM, Mystery Boudica, Beauty Kitchen. Here it is. Oh, that's the one I thought was another product. This is $18.50. It says bye-bye spring allergies, packed with an aromatherapy blend of eucalyptus essential oils. Breathe essential oil shower and spa spray will transform any shower into a revitalizing spa. Probably going to put this in a giveaway. And let's see, what's this? Babyface Skin Reboot Peel Mask. This is $8. Peel away dry winter skin and bring back your youthful glow. Made in South Korea. That's good. The beauty capital of the world. This most mask formulation is gentle yet effective, safe and toxin-free. True to its name, the Babyface Skin Reboot Peel Mask is meant to dramatically reveal women's glowing, baby smooth skin, no matter what age. After cleansing, apply mask and leave on for 1 minute. Massage under face, then rinse with lukewarm water. Okay, well, this I can just use right in the morning when I get ready. Then there's this cute. You see what's on there, ladies? Sloths. I love sloths. Sloths, kitty cats, goats. Speaking of goats, how's it feel to be home, Rick? He's happy. Let's see, what is in here? What is in here? I hope they all have sloths on them. Oh. Staying positive because better days are on their way. This one's got doggy on it, and on the back, I am here in this moment. So there's all different ones. You know, I think I'm going to start doing these on my videos. I'll just do a different one every day. Oh, this is a holder for them. Card holder diagram. I'll just... I like. So that's it. What do you all think? I'm keeping, let's see, of course, the cards. The Wizzy spray, or toilet paper spray. Maybe this. Yeah, I think that's the things I'm giving away, huh? That's good. I like giving things away. Oh, and this. So 4 things out of the 8. That's pretty good for me. Good enough. Alrighty. So, what you think? Comment below, share, like, subscribe, and I hope you're all having a good day. I love you all. Bye.